Morning to all. My name is Ishara Suji. I am studying 5th standard. I am going to talk about types of beer. There are 8 recognized species of beer. The American black beer, Asiatic black beer, brown beer, giant panda, polar beer, sloth beer, spectacle beer and sun beer. These beers all belong to the family. Acidyl is the part of the order. Carnivore beer are known of diverse diet ranging from the other highly carnivore polar bear to the largely herbivore giant panda. Here's a brief overview of each species. The American black bear found in the North America. It is the smallest bear, well adapted for life in snow environment. Asiatic black bear, also known as the moon bear, and is characterized by V-shaped patch fur on its chest. Brown bear, a widespread species with various subspecies includes the grizzly bear in North America and Eurasian brown bear. Giant panda. Here's native to China. It is famous for its bamboo diet and distinctive black and white fur. Polar bear, found in the Arctic. It is the largest bear species in well adapted for life in cold snow environment. Sloth bear, found in the South Asia. It has a soggy coat and distinctive snout used for feeding on insects. Spectacle bear, found in the Southeast Asia. The bear species found in Southeast Asia and it is known for marking around its eye that resembles spectacle. Sun bear, the smallest bear species found in North America and is known for its short sleeping fur and crescent-shaped chest marking. Thank you to all.